welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this makeup look right here. I call it the green glitter look, I guess. To be honest, I haven't really thought of a name for it, so once this video goes up live, then, you know, by then I'm sure I'll have thought of a name and put that in the title, yada yada yada, all that good stuff. But right now, I'll just call it the Glamorous Green Glitter look. Maybe I'll just keep that name. I don't know. So, here's the look I have going on right now, and I have some green, a little bit of blue, a nice lip color, a lot of fun stuff going on. So, if you're curious and you want to know how did Sarah get this look, then of course sit tight, don't go anywhere, because without further ado, we're going to start the video right now. Okay, so I'm going to first go in and just start off by giving my face this little spritz with this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Okay, so first things first are my brows, and I'm going to take my Kat Von D in their brow pomade, their new brow pomade that came out, and I did do a review on this, so if you want to see that, I'll put an iCard above me, and you guys can check that out. Alright, so I'm just going to brush them out a little bit, and, you know, let my hairs be placed where I want them to be. And if you want, you can go ahead and use like a brow gel on top of it if your brow hairs are like really long. But the pomade should, you know, keep your brow hairs in place because it's a pomade. Okay, so next I'm going to go in and prime my lids. So grab your favorite eye primer or even just use like a concealer and prime your lids. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Morphe palette. And I feel like by now everyone has this palette. And if you don't, then this is one palette I do highly recommend getting. It has just a bunch of shades and colors, and it's just an awesome palette. So you should get one if you don't have one. Alright, so I'm picking up the color Silk Cream and just placing that all over my lid. Next, I'm picking up the color Jade, or let me see, Jada, and we're going to use that as a transition color. Back and forth, and my baby hairs are just in my way and they are freaking annoying. Alright, next I'm going to take my Cold Brew color from the Dominique Latte palette and place that on the outer corners of my eye. And going back with the brush I used earlier and just blending everything out, making everything look soft and fluffy. And then to darken up the corners just a little bit more, go in and pick up some Enchanted from the Jaclyn palette. This time just focus it right on the outermost corner. Alright, now I'm picking up my NYX eyeliner pencil in Seafoam Green. And we're going to just place that like all over your lid. Almost all over your lid. And I'm doing this because I feel like it will definitely help with the eyeshadow popping out a lot better. I want this part to really stand out. Alright, so now I'm picking up my Urban Decay Moondust palette. And we are diving into the color Light Year. And I was going to pick up a brush, but I'm just going to actually use my fingers. So pick up some of that Light Year color. And right where I place the, you know, the pencil eyeliner, I'm going to just dab that right on top. Ooh, look at that. Do you guys see that? Look at my eyes. Look beautiful. That looks so pretty. So, of course, same thing on the other eye. So, I do want to highlight my inner corners. So, I'm going to take the color Beam from the Jaclyn palette and just highlight the inner corner of my eye. Oh, and I'm sure you noticed I cleaned out all my little fallout. So, FYI. Alright, time for liner. And for my liner, I'm using the Ulta liner in Onyx. And we're just going to... Alright, so for my liner, I kept it relatively thin and not so thick. And I didn't do much of like a cat eye look. I want to make sure that I still see the nice, beautiful colors I have on my eyes. And then I'm going to pick up some black. This color is specifically called Abyss from the JH palette. And just to kind of smoke out the eyeliner look a little bit, I'm going to just go back on top and smoke it out. Okay, so my lashes are on and my liner is complete, and I've already primed my face, and so time for foundation. And today we're using the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, Your Skin But Better. This is the foundation I'm using, and this is still, right now I'm like still testing it out. So, you know, watch out for a review. But in this video, I'm just gonna apply it right on my face. Right now, I'm just, you know, putting on some concealer and concealing the imperfections. So because the top of the eyelid is like, it has a lot of colors and everything, I want to kind of balance it out and put a little bit of color on the lower part of my lid. So I'm going to pick up the color Twerk and again JH palette, and then put that right on the lower lash line. And then right on top of that, I'm going to pick up the Vega color from the Moondust palette and place it like right on top of that. And if you notice, I kind of brought in the inner highlight colors, kind of brought it down a little bit more. So that's what I have going on so far. Okay, so the eyes are pretty much complete. I'm going to finish the rest of my face. So let's get to it. So for blush, I'm using my Milani Rose de Oro, which is, if it will just open correctly, this little baby right here. This blush is super pigmented. Of course, time to bronze. You guys know I'm trying to keep up with this whole bronzing gig. Who even knows if I'm bronzing correctly? But I'm practicing. I'm learning. And that's all that matters. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Master Holographic by Maybelline. And like so. Alright, so maybe even like highlight the tip of my nose. For that, I'm going to use the Master Chrome. If I can open it. And tip of my nose, Cupid's bow. Alright, so far so good. Time for the lips. So for my lips, I want to have it like kind of like toned down, if you will, but not really. You know, I still want my lips to show, but I want the focus to be mainly on my eyes. So I'm going to use this lip pencil. Not sure what it's called, but it's like a pinkish color, pinkish red color. And I'm going to line my entire lips real quickly. Alright, so maybe it's not really a pinkish red color. It's more of a reddish red color. So just go ahead and line your lips. Right on top of it, I'm going to put on this Bite Beauty shade, which is like a nude color. Okay, and here is the finished look. Hopefully my makeup came out pretty nice. I think I did a good job. This is what I call a, you know, going out look, I guess. You know, just a fun look I decided to do. Nice pop of green and glitter, and that glitter is just amazing. If you guys haven't gotten this palette, the Urban Decay Moondust palette, you should definitely get it. Alright, so here's the makeup look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, if you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. That does help me so much when you give it a like. That means so much to me. And comment down below what makeup look I should do next. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Become part of the Kwak fam. Subscribe right above here. Watch my latest video below here. And of course, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!